Hi, I did another haul. Well, I'm doing a haul right now. I went shopping again. This time for my birthday, and this time it's like the most I've spent on a haul so far, and also my biggest customs fee ever. I had to pay $82 in customs, so not sure what that's all about. I'm gonna look into that because, you know, mathematically it doesn't quite add up. But anyway, I shopped at Lazy Oaf for the first time. I have bought one Lazy Oaf piece before. I have a turtleneck that has the same print as this shoebox right here. So this time I went directly to their website and I had one item in mind. And this also happens to be my very first pair of Doc Martens. So Lazy Oaf did a collaboration recently with Doc Martens. They had 3 different pairs of shoes and I chose one of them. I'm pretty sure you can guess which ones I chose. If you know a little bit about me and know about the collection they just released, you probably know like which ones I got. But yep, they're here finally. Took a little bit longer than I thought it would. And I also picked up a sweater that I wanted for a long time. My favorite YouTuber has it. A lot of people on Instagram have it. It's a really nice sweater, so I will show you those 2 things today. I know, like, my hauls are getting smaller and smaller, but I feel like they're costing me more and more money. So like, I'm gonna start with the sweater because the shoes are obviously the most exciting thing here. And here it is. Is it a surprise? Like, I feel like it's pretty obvious like which one I was going to get. Like, everybody has this sweater. It is so pretty. It's sparkly. Oh my god, it's sparkly. Okay, so let me be completely honest with you. When I first started seeing everybody wear this sweater, I thought for sure it was going to be some god-awful poly blend kind of really cheap, nasty sort of Urban Planet thing, because I have a very similar sweater that's from Urban Planet, so I don't know, my head just thought it was going to be like that. But then when I looked at it on the website, I wonder if it says it here on the tag, it told me that it was made 47% acrylic, 30% nylon, 18% wool, and 8% mohair. I don't know if that all adds up, but like that's what it says it's made out of. So that really, yeah, kind of changed my opinion in buying it. And that it actually has some metallic yarn that's woven in with it, so it looks kind of sparkly. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can really see it in person. It's very, very subtle. You have to be quite close. But I feel like in the sun, that would look so pretty. These are really, really heavy. I wonder if that is why the free shipping ended up being an $80 customs fee. I wonder if they were hiding it in there. I don't know. Okay. You guys, they look absolutely massive. I don't know if they're gonna fit me. Frick. Look how cute the paper is. The paper has little hearts on it too. I'm gonna save the paper. I remember my auntie always used to do this, and my mom would just like give her shit for it. When are you gonna use that again? And then, what would you know? She would get it reused in her gift. Let's save that. Cute. Okay. I think they might be too big. I was worried that they were gonna look like pirate shoes because of the buckle, and they do kind of look a little bit like pirate shoes, but it's not as bad as I was picturing. This is really cute. That's just the tag. I have to take that off. They look huge. I don't know if my foot is gonna fit into this. Ow! I just like crushed my finger. Oh no. I don't know if that's the right size. It looks so much bigger than my foot. What do you think? Do you think that'll work? Let's find out. Oh, there's a little love heart on the, is this the tongue? I don't know. I'm so worried that they're too big. Oh, and then the inside is pink. are too big. But let's see, are they ridiculous too big or are they wearable too big? Does that look like it could be my foot? I don't know. Okay, I've got a thicker pair of socks and I brought my Demonia shoes here to compare the size. I actually think that these are the same size. So maybe they're okay. I just need to try them with the thicker socks because with the Demonia ones, I do have to wear like 2 pairs of socks with them because I don't think they have half sizes. These definitely don't have half sizes. Or there's like a half size in one size, but not the one that I happen to need, so that's fun. Yeah, with like, I just usually wear like a thigh-high sock or a knee-high sock, and then I bunch it around my ankle, and that typically like makes my shoes wearable. Okay, that feels better, but I'm still worried that it looks like a clown shoe. Okay, there we go. What do we think? Let's see. You know, I can't really get a good look at them because I have a light blocking my mirror, but I think I can work with them. Honestly, I do think the next size down would be way too small for me because they don't do half sizes and I'm a half size. Also, one of my feet is bigger than the other, so I mean, one foot feels great, the other foot feels a bit weird, but yeah, I like them. I don't know if they were worth the money. I would like them more if they had been cheaper. But yeah, I've been waiting for a long time to buy my first pair of Doc Martens, so I'm kind of happy it's these because they're so cute. Oh, there's little hearts on the back. Yeah, just to compare them with the Demonia, the platform's definitely more subtle. I feel like with the Demonia one, I'm all the way up here. These I'm just here. I'm a little bit sweaty, so I'm just gonna try this on kind of fast. I can't imagine I'll have anything bad to say about it. It must be pretty good. Or it's just one of those things where it looks really pretty online and then you buy it and it's like, oh no, what have I done? Oh, I have to be careful not to snag it with my ring because it's very loose knit. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's everything I hoped. I love this. What is this, like batwing kind of? Oh, this is a flattering sweater. Especially with something high-waisted, it makes you look really, really skinny. Let me just pan down a little, I'll show you. Look at that. This is a small, so it's very generous. The neck is snug, which is good. I don't want the neck to be loose. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. It feels like it actually comes down lower at the front, which I think is interesting, but I like it. And the sleeves are the perfect length if you're an, you know, old school emo kid like me. Like, this is the length you want your sleeves, am I right? And the colors are amazing. I love it. I don't know, can you see the sparkle? Because like I can see the sparkle. Maybe if I move the light, do you see the sparkle? Like, I don't know how it works. But yeah, that's it. That's my tiny little haul from Lazy Oaf and Doc Marten. I got this. Oh, I almost fell over. That was dignified. Okay, but I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for clicking on me today. There were so many things here on YouTube that you could have clicked on, but you chose me, and that makes me super happy. I will see you really soon. Bye!